best application if you're gonna generate images using AI. And it's crazy, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout, nothing that hard for you to not understand. So you might swipe across and see some other arts that are created by the application by default. Nothing much. But to create your personal art, you can tap on the plus icon here, and here you can pretty much enter your prompt and select your art style. Some of them you may need premium subscription, as you can see here. But if I tap on the all option here, you can see all these art styles that I can use. And some of them you may need premium subscription to use. But if you just select on one there, you're pretty much good to go. And you enter a prompt. I'm just going to enter a cat, or as you can see, so while you're typing, sometimes you may see default prompts that will be shown here, which you can also use if you don't have anything in mind. So I'm just going to tap on one of these, and down here you can also choose the size of the artwork and so forth. So I'm just going to stay on the default option here, and once you have done that, you can just tap on generate. So the image option is pretty much you adding a reference to the prompt that you're going to use, and it pretty much gives you a better results as it relates to your image generation. And the avatar one is pretty much you uploading, let's say, anime character. You want to create an anime character image based on your fantasies or whatever the case is. You can also upload an image or take a picture, whichever one you choose. But you can enter a prompt, let's say some superhero hero with weird cape and so forth. So I'm going to tap on that there. And once you've done that, you input an image as used as reference, and you're pretty much good to go. And that's really it. So the application is very easy to use. Nothing hard, nothing that's you're not going to understand, guys. So in the settings option here, as I can see, you have nothing much here. So if I tap on the profile option here, at the top, you pretty much can see the subscription prices and everything. You can always get their 3 days free trial and test out their premium styles, art styles and so forth. So you can get the feel if you like the application or not. So it's very easy to use. And here you pretty much need to sign in. I do recommend you guys signing in, or else you're not going to see certain stuff like community artworks that other people have posted and so forth. But these ones are pretty much ones that the application have created. And as you can see, if I tap on it here, I can also download the image or view the artist profile. If I view the artist profile, maybe private, but it's the application that I've created this one here. Some of them you'll be able to create alternative or remake it, but it won't be the same exact thing, so do keep in mind. So that's pretty much it for this. And you have the dark mode option by tapping the green icon at the top, and it will just give you the dark mode option, but you will need a subscription to get that feature. So very simple app. If I miss anything, comment below. If you love the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys in the next one.